Hello little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 15, The Great Indians. So in this chapter we will study about some great Indians. We have Chandrasekhar Azad and APJ Abdul Kalam. As you know that our nation has gained independence from colonial rule because of the efforts and sacrifice of our great Indians. So what are these Indians great people? That is Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and Indira Gandhi. They have inspired us with the story of achievements and sacrifice that they have done for our country. Let us read about two such people. First is Chandrasekhar Azad. He is the freedom fighter. When he was born on 23rd of July 1906 in the village named Bhavra in Madhya Pradesh. Right? The British rule was also known for the colonial rule. They treated the Indians badly when they was under the colonial rule. And Chandrasekhar Azad, he did not like to see India as slave country. And what he wanted to see India as free country. From where your young age, he started taking part in this freedom struggle of India when he was only 15 years old. जब वो कितने साल के थे? 15 साल के थे. He was arrested by the British police. And when the judge asked him his name, what he said? Azad, meaning free. So from then onward, Chandrasekhar assumed the title of Azad and he took a place that police would never succeed in catching him alive. He fought against the British till his last breath. Next is APJ Abdul Kalam, which is known as Missile Man of India. Right? He was born in a poor family. His father was boatman and imam of local mosque, and his mere income was enough for family. Despite coming from family with financial problem, Kalam worked hard and achieved well in study. During his school days, he also distributed newspaper in the morning for some time. And he completed his graduation in science and become one of the best scientists, and he was elected as the president of India, and what we call him Missile Man of India. And he's famous as People's President. He received Bharat Ratna, and which is the highest civilian award. Right? So here some question has been given. Like Indian highest civilian award which is received by APJ Abdul Kalam. What it was? Bharat Ratna. The title of Chandrasekhar Azad. Things APJ Abdul Kalam sold in his younger days. What he used to sold in those time, that is the newspaper. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying with me. Thank you.